Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up a TikTok Ads pixel in just 5 minutes. Essentially, a TikTok pixel is a snippet of code placed on your site to monitor user activity, which helps refine your marketing efforts. While it might sound technical, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly. Begin by visiting the TikTok Ads main page. This portal is central to managing your advertisements and pixel settings. Locate and select the Login button to enter the Ads Manager. Provide your registered email and password. If you do not have an account yet, you should register now. Once your details are in, hit Login. Accuracy here is vital to prevent any login issues. You will likely face a CAPTCHA test to prove you are not a bot. Solve the puzzle and click Confirm to proceed. For added security, TikTok uses two-factor authentication. Check your email for a verification code, then enter it into the required field to finish the login process. Inside the dashboard, navigate to the Tools tab and select Events. Choose Connect Data Source and then pick Web to indicate you are tracking a website. Click Next and input your site's URL accurately, as this is where the code will live. Proceed by clicking Next again and choosing the Manually Install Pixel Code option for better control. After selecting Manual Setup, click Next. You will decide how to link the pixel. Manual connection is recommended for full oversight. Finally, give your pixel a clear, descriptive name. This makes it much easier to identify if you manage multiple pixels later on. You have successfully configured your TikTok pixel. This tool provides vital data on how visitors engage with your site after viewing your ads, allowing for better campaign optimization and audience targeting. Spend some time exploring the Pixel dashboard to view real-time analytics and understand user behavior. Staying current with TikTok's evolving features will keep you competitive. I hope this walkthrough was useful. If so, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your TikTok advertising.